Hello everyone, my name is Hisham. I'm the owner of Clemson Aeronautics, where we make the riveting and dimpling systems. Today is an announcement of a sale, and this sale is pretty much $1,000, and you get the CARD1 system, that is the pneumatic squeezer operated system, which does include the dimpling pin and riveting pin and the rudder trailing edge riveting pin. That's an incredible option that you're going to be getting extra with the machine for free. And of course you will be getting the riveting plate and the dimpling plate that carries the dimple dies. Also, with this package, you're gonna get the rib dimpling option and 3 yokes: a longeron yoke, a 4-inch yoke, and a 3-inch yoke. All of this is for $1,000, and it is in stock. I just checked a few websites and they were out of some of these tools. So, but we have it in stock and we're ready to ship. At this point, also I would like to mention that if you fill this form from Vans, and Vans send me $100 check, I will turn around and give it straight back to you, which makes the total now $900 instead of $1,000. If you're convinced, you don't need to watch the rest of this video. You need to go to our website and order your system today. Now, if you're still not convinced that this is a good deal, I would like to try to convince you for your own good. I checked on Cleveland Aircraft Tools website and I got the prices for a few items, 5 items. The first one is the tool similar to this for the trailing edge of the rudder. It's $32.90. DRDD2, $473.40. A 4-inch no-hole yoke, $170.13. A 3-inch yoke with a hole, $144.45. A longeron yoke, $159.43. Total $980.31. Folks, we're not comparing apples to apples here. This is not apples to apples. This is a DRDD2 to a CARD1 system that rivets and dimple. What is a DRDD2? The main mechanism is this thing here. This is made in China. You can buy that on Amazon for 20 bucks. And what they do is they take it and take that bolt over here and they modify it to accept the dimpling die and make a little bitty piece of steel, put a long handle on it and stuff, and weld the frame 3/16 of an inch wall on the tubing and bolt this thing on there. You can't compare the DRDD2 to this machine. This is 1/4 inch thick material to be able to resist flexing enough so you can rivet with it, because that is the main purpose, is to rivet. Rivet every rivet the same, dimple every dimple the same, so you can have uniformity. And you can go back and check the rudder videotapes that I have, and you can see that the stiffeners was so perfect. The surface of the rudder is just beautiful. And not only that, we did the trailing edge with that, which is the option that you're getting also for free. You don't have to pay extra for it. Now, when it comes to yokes, these are the yokes. This is ours. This is our competitor. Put them right next to each other. Ours obviously a lot cheaper, a lot more rigid than this tool right here. And if you want to compare theirs, also the 3-inch yoke with a hole, same thing. Ours is much more rigid. Then comes the no hole 4-inch yoke. This is a very unique design, guys. This is very special. The round area here is a little smaller so you can get into narrow places. And the thickness of the material and the width gives it a lot more rigidity. You're gonna find yourself using this pretty much for riveting just about everything that you're gonna rivet with the squeezer. This will be your go-to tool when it comes to riveting. Gets into narrow places, and it keeps you from going in with a bucking bar and a skin that's 16 thousandths thick. If you touch it with the bucking bar without the riveting gun, you're gonna crease it, you're gonna damage it. Why risk it after you do all this hard work on your rudder or your elevators, and then you dang it? Because this is a very good tool. Buy it. I would like to also remind you that if you fill in the Vans form, and this is our builder's number here, and Vans, send us a $100 check, we're gonna send it to you. So you could also do yourself, and by the way, guys, we sold a bunch of these systems, and I told every single customer that if you sent the form in to Vans and Vans send us the money, we're gonna send it to you or give you credit to buy something else from us. No one had done it so far, and this kind of amazes me. Everybody building an airplane is doing research for hours on the internet trying to save $100 or $50 on something. Then here comes something like this and they don't do it. I guess because when they start building, they're so busy building the airplane, they don't have time to fill one of those things up. Fill it. You'll thank me later. But anyhow, this deal here won't last forever, guys. I built 23 systems. 23 systems. These are the only ones I have ready now. Order yours now before it's too late. You're gonna get it with all these fantastic yokes, rib dimpling option. It's a good deal. Please take advantage of that. Go to our website and order your system. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.